Hi, it's Patiently. I'm here today to talk about dialogue tags, which we also call attributions. This is how you use quotation marks and how you punctuate them correctly when you're doing dialogue. You must be 18 or older to view this content. There are no dirty pictures or anything, but I'm using sentences from one of my works in progress, and it's pretty filthy, rotten, dirty. So if you are not 18 or if this kind of thing bothers you, get out now. The sentences are from my work in progress called the Pious Hot Wives Club, and it's about a group of Catholic stay-at-home moms discussing mommy porn in their book club, and then they discover that there might be more to a sex life than their own husbands can offer. And I've been working on this for a couple of years now. We'll see when I can finish it now that I'm not teaching anymore. What are dialogue tags? Lena asked. Mike replied, they identify the speaker in dialogue. They can go at the beginning, the teacher added, in the middle, or at the end of a sentence. So here we have one at the end of the sentence, Lena asked. We have one at the beginning of the sentence, Mike replied, and the teacher added is right in the middle of the sentence. See? Now, as far as dialogue tags go, people tend to think that you should use only as many as you need to identify who is speaking. Otherwise, your dialogue sounds pretty unnatural and wonky. Use only as many as you have to. I tend not to use too many unless there are more than two speakers in my conversation, but that's just my personal preference. And then the other issue with these is that some people swear that you should only use the words said and asked in your dialogue tags, but then some people think these are totally boring. So you choose for yourself. I generally stick with said or asked, but in a lot of cases where, I'm just trying to go for emphasis, I might just shake it up with one or two others, but I use them sparingly. Okay, the idea is that they should fade into the background. Okay, disclaimers here. First of all, these are the standard American rules. The rules in the UK are totally different. So if you've been confused in the past by what you've seen, maybe that's what it is. Maybe you were expecting it to all be the same and it just wasn't. Punctuation can also be kind of an art. When you know the rules really well, you can sometimes, bend them to your will and make your sentences mean different things with different punctuation. But if you're watching a basic dialogue tag video, you should probably stick to the rules pretty closely, at least for now. Okay, this is the end of the first video. This is just a little intro, and then we're going to get into sentences with the tag and then the dialogue.